Introducing America's most innovative parking block, Clearline rubber parking blocks. Made right here in the USA from 100% compounded recycled rubber, Clearline is built to last. It won't warp, crack, chip, or corrode, even under tough conditions. Every Clearline parking block features raised edges that protect its reflective tape from peeling, 10 high-visibility reflective strips for maximum visibility day or night, drainage channels to prevent water buildup, and countersunk holes for clean, secure installation. At 36 pounds, Clearline blocks are designed for easy one-person installation, but built for durability. These parking blocks help ensure vehicles stop safely, protecting buildings, sidewalks, curbs, and landscaping. Ideal for retail, commercial, municipal, and garage applications, Clearline delivers performance you can count on. Durable, eco-friendly, easy to install. Clearline, the smarter parking block.